You need to watch this if you're born on the 8th, 17th, or on the 26th of the month.
Now, for number 8, as I said, there are two numbers that tend to be misunderstood by people in general and misunderstood by the medical profession. And that one, second one, is the number 8. So anyone born on the 8th, the 17th, or the 26th of the month, they will find, or if they come in under the sign of a Capricorn Aquarius, which was the original ruler of Aquarius, and its exaltation in Libra. But let's stick to Aquarius, a Capricorn first, and Aquarius. Well, number 8s tend to suffer with headaches, the knees, the teeth, the bones, rheumatism, constipation. These are some of the things. So I always recommend to a number 8 person that they should have. Of course, I'm not a medical doctor and I don't claim to be. I'm just telling you what the men of old, thousands of years ago, have discerned that when a person is born under this constellation by sign or number, they would exhibit these traits. None of these things I mentioned you have to have. If one takes care of themselves, it should be minimum. But if you haven't been taking care of yourself, then maybe some of these I mentioned may be more pronounced. So with 8s, they should have at least 1 or 2 meatless meals a week, preferably Wednesday, preferably Sunday. I have my reasons for that, which I ain't going to get into right now, but they should have some meatless meals. That would eliminate or minimize stoppage of the intestines, which we call constipation, okay? And so these things are very important. And also the liver and the bile. So they will find that the months of February, June, August, and September are more challenging.
Grab your numerology analysis today at numerology33.com.